Starting with cat-cow, which is really a basic and crucial stretch for the spine and the overall body. I like to stretch my toes out. Make sure you don't turn the feet and ankles outward. You want to really line the foot and lower leg, the shin, with your thighs and pelvis. I'm starting here just in this tabletop position. If you have difficulty putting your hands flat on the floor, you could try putting something along the heel of your hand to create a little bit of an incline. The cue I like to give is think Spider-Man fingers. You want the pads of your fingers pressing somewhat down so that the grip of the palm itself can come into play so that you are not taxing the wrist alone. And we're gonna be rocking front to back to start, nothing too exerting, and then of course translating ourselves into the classic cat, which is a rounded like posture. Torso gets sort of concaved in. You're rounding your torso up along with your pelvis, and then the cow having more of a flatter back, pinching your shoulder blades together. You don't have to throw in the neck component of the cow. I actually would prefer you keep your head and eyes gazed down for cow. You can round out for cat, and we're just going to alternate the torso and the pelvis back and forth. Again, don't forget to grip the floor. Spider-Man fingers, guys.